Hi guys, today we will study about the trends in national income occupational distribution. Okay, occupational distribution plays a crucial role in Indian economy. The occupational structure of a nation refers to the percentage of its workforce employed in various economic ventures. Basically, what it means that in a particular segment, let's suppose agriculture segment or industry segment or service segment, then the how many employees already, how many workforce are employed in that segment, that is known as occupational distribution. Like let's suppose 20% in agriculture sector and 30% in industrial, like that. This refers to the aggregate distribution of occupation in society classified according to the skill level, economic function, or social status. I hope you get it. It refers to the distribution of working population among the different sectors in the economy. Like distribution of the working population among the different sector, as I already described that different kind of sector, which is agriculture, industrial and service. These sectors are broad categories of different type and nature of occupation in an economy. These broad sectors are: first sector is primary sector, which includes, in the primary sector, it includes agriculture, mining, fishing, animal husbandry and forestry. In the secondary sector, it consists manufacturing, construction, electricity, all kind of industrial thing which is produced. Okay, and in the tertiary sector, it is also known as service sector, which consist of trade, transportation, communication, banking, insurance, personal service, government and non-government jobs, and other activities related to service. It is totally based on service, tertiary sector. Agriculture was the principal source of occupation. 75% of the population was engaged in agriculture at the time of independence, resulting in the backwardness of the Indian economy at the time of India's independence. The manufacturing and service sectors accounted for only 10% and 15 to 20% respectively. Just imagine, 75% at the time of independence, 75% workforce was totally dependent upon the agriculture, and the 10% were dependent upon the industrial sector and manufacturing sector, and only 15 to 20% were dependent on the service sector. It was quite low. States like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and West Bengal witnessed to witnessed a shift of dependence of workforce from agriculture sector to manufacturing and the service sector. And states like Orissa, Rajasthan, and Punjab had been increased in the share of agriculture workforce. In the what happened on that time after the independence, Orissa, Rajasthan, and Punjab, and maximum and these kind of states increased their workforce in the agriculture sector. After industrial revolution, India, that the process of development is associated with two type of transition. Basically, on that time there were two type of transition happened. The first transition was the movement of workforce from agriculture to manufacturing and service, and my second transition was migration from rural to urban areas, and it is also known as urbanization. However, this transition and mobility are associated with increased education, improving health, along with the other socio economic drivers. It helps It helps Indian people to move with the to move towards the industrial sector or service sector from the agriculture sector.